You want to learn a new programming language and you've stumbled upon the powerful C and C++ languages, but you don't know which one is best suited for you? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explain the key differences between C and C++, helping you make an informed decision that aligns with your coding goals. Whether you're a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced developer aiming to expand your skills, we've got you covered. Without further ado, let's get started on this exciting journey. Before we start explaining the key differences between the two languages, we will look at a brief history. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in the early 1970s. He created the language to work on the Unix operating system. The initial version of C was based on an earlier language called B, which was developed by Ken Thompson. C was designed to provide more flexibility and better performance than B. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, C became the dominant programming language for system and application development and played a significant role in the growth of the software industry due to its portability, efficiency, and ability to work close to the hardware while still providing a high-level abstraction. C++ came as an extension of the C programming language and was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs in the early 1980s. He wanted to add object-oriented programming features to C, which would allow for more organized and modular code development. With its ability to support both procedural and object-oriented programming, C++ remains one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in use today. Both C and C++ continue to be essential languages in the software industry, each serving different purposes while sharing a rich history and strong legacy in the field of programming. C and C++ are related programming languages with some key differences. As I already mentioned, C++ is an extension of the C programming language that adds support for object-oriented programming. This means it is designed for procedural programming, such as in C, but additionally also object-oriented programming. In concrete, this means you can define classes, objects, and use concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation to create modular and reusable code. C does not have built-in support for object-oriented programming. Next, C++ has a larger standard library compared to C. The C++ standard library includes additional functionality for strings, containers, such as vectors and maps, algorithms, input-output operations, and more. This expanded standard library provides developers with more tools and abstractions to work with, making certain tasks easier and more efficient. We can also talk about memory management. Both C and C++ allow manual memory management using pointers. However, C++ introduces additional features like constructors and destructors. C++ also provides abstractions like smart pointers such as unique and shared pointers that help manage memory automatically, reducing the risk of memory leaks and improving code safety. C++ supports exception handling using try-catch blocks, allowing programmers to handle and recover from runtime errors. C, however, does not have built-in support for exceptions. Error handling in C is typically done using return codes or custom error handling mechanisms. And lastly, there is the difference in programming style. Due to its object-oriented features, C++ tends to promote a more structured and organized development style compared to C. C++ encourages encapsulation, data hiding, and modular design, making it easier to manage and maintain complex projects. C, being a procedural language, is often used for more low-level programming tasks and closer interaction with hardware. We see that the C++ language really is an extension of the C language. Ultimately, the choice between C and C++ depends on the specific requirements of the project. C++ provides a more powerful and expressive language with support for object-oriented programming, a larger standard library, and more advanced memory management options. However, C remains a popular choice for projects that require closer interaction with hardware or need to integrate with existing C codebases. So to conclude, If you need to write a performance-critical application or work with legacy systems and libraries, C might be a better choice. C will also be easier to learn than C++ thanks to its simplicity. On the other hand, if you need to build complex, large-scale applications with modern features, object-oriented programming, and a rich standard library, C++ would be a more appropriate option. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your feedback.